In this video, I'll show you how to get more followers on X, formerly known as Twitter. First, optimize your profile. Use a professional profile picture and write a clear bio that tells people exactly what value they will get from following you. Pin your best post to the top of your profile so new visitors can see your best content straight away. Now let's talk about content. Use threads to share in-depth stories or insights. This keeps people reading for longer, which is great for the algorithm. Mix in images, GIFs, and short videos to grab attention as you scroll through the feed. Focus on content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. Post 2 to 3 times every day to stay visible and consistent. The more active you are, the more the algorithm will push your content to new people. Engage with other accounts daily. Reply to 50 to 100 relevant posts in your niche every day. Also, try to jump into discussions within the first 30 to 60 minutes of a popular account posting. This puts your name in front of a large audience quickly. Use 1 to 2 relevant hashtags per post. Do not spam hashtags, as this can hurt your reach. Follow relevant accounts in your niche and engage with them consistently. Building genuine relationships with other creators in your space will help grow your audience faster. If you want an extra boost, consider subscribing to X Premium, as it prioritizes your replies and increases your visibility. Also, try to keep your following count lower than your follower count, as this makes your profile look more credible and authoritative. That is how you do it.